Welcome back to the channel. Check it out. Transform my GW-5000 again. The original 5000, that is, with EL light. So this time I'm running Jason K's 22 millimeters adapters, metal adapters, and take a look at this bezel. In my opinion, it looks even better than the original. You want to guess where that bezel is from? Well, if you said the GW-5000R, you are correct. That bezel is only found on this watch. And it's so nice. Nice and smooth. And the black buttons on this mod just make it look better. So we have a NATO Velcro strap, not commonly seen. It is a thick boy, so you won't be able to just slide everything in. You have to install the spring bars around this area, because this area where the Velcro is too thick and it won't go through the space here. Titanium buckle here. Got this strap on Amazon. I'll leave you guys a link down below. Check it out. And of course, the watch has a STN, which I've made a video in the past, and I've also added a gold filter to the LCD. STN LCD. Check it out. What do you think looks better, this or that new FIDLOCK GW-5600? I can even do that mod to this one with this other black strap, and I think it might even look better than that FIDLOCK watch. What do you guys think? Let me know down below.